Virtualization. It's one of the industry's hottest topics right now. It affects the whole IT community, from desktops to servers, from data centers to networks, and it's generally seen as a good thing, although some of the drawbacks are starting to make themselves evident. In short, virtualization is a way of decoupling the underlying hardware from the resources seen by the machines higher up the stack. For instance, one physical server can now contain several virtual machines. This means that you can load lots of applications onto one piece of hardware, saving lots of extra space, cooling, and hardware maintenance. By the same token, storage and networks can also be virtualized so that one pool of disks can be viewed and managed as a single entity, and vice versa, if that's what the business requires. But the benefits of the technology are now taken for granted. What everyone wants to know is whether Microsoft can unseat VMware, the undisputed market leader by a long way, even though Microsoft entered the market in 2008, almost 10 years after VMware itself. But before we get into that, let's take a quick look at the technology itself. The advantages are quite simple.
It's an industry's hot button right now because customers are looking how to save money and drive new services to their business. Virtualization lets them to do that, to control the costs, drive up utilization rates of their products as servers, all their IT assets.
I think what's fascinating about virtualization is it was born at a time when the complexity and the sprawl of data centers hit a point of no return, where business as usual would not allow you to continue. And what's amazing about server virtualization is that, like a Swiss Army knife, there are so many different types of tools or utilities that you can take advantage of.
So that was the initial hot button, and that has dominated the cost savings. But with it then comes a whole bunch of new capabilities that people just couldn't deliver to previously, which is availability of applications and ability to instantly provision workloads on any server and really get control of their environment in a much